Time spent gardening with your child will help build bonds and create precious memories, and children will get excited to try the fruits and vegetables that they help grow. Join us now for a fun container gardening adventure. First step will be to choose your container. As you can see, this can be a great opportunity to repurpose items that would otherwise be thrown away. If the opening is too narrow in your container, you'll want to be sure to cut it off, as I have with this milk carton. Next, you'll be adding some drainage holes to the bottom of the container. For our next step, we'll be adding around 1 inch of gravel to the bottom of our container to provide drainage. After that, we'll be filling our container around 3/4 full with good potting soil. It's important not to use regular dirt, as it doesn't contain the important nutrients and drainage properties that will help your plant to grow. Using cardboard egg cartons can be a great option for starting seeds. Our third step is to plant some seeds or a small plant into your container. Be sure to read the seed packet, as it often has lots of good growing instructions, such as when to plant, how to plant the seeds, and what to expect from the plant that you're growing. It's important to think about the size of your container and the current growing season when deciding what to plant. Good container plants include tomatoes, peppers, eggplant, green onions, beans, squash, radish, and parsley. Also, herbs like basil, mint, and thyme are good, easy-to-grow choices. Gently water your plant until the soil is moist and place it in a spot that gets sun for most of the day. Continue to water your plant when the soil gets too dry. Thank you for joining us on this fun gardening adventure.